नमस्कार, तुमकां सगळ्यांक येवकार दिता आजच्या ह्या खाशेल्या कार्यक्रमान. खूबशे विशय आसात जे आमी विशय तुमच्या फुड्यान घेवन येवपाचे आसा. पर्पल टीव्ही भारत ह्या ऑनलायन डिजिटल टीव्ही चॅनलाच्या माध्यमांतल्यान म्हाका दिसता आख्खे गोंयभर आमी वतले, गोंय न्हू तर आख्खे देशभर वतले, बिकॉज इट इज डिजिटल. आनी स्पेशली हो चॅनल जेन्ना आमी तुमच्या खातीर लॉन्च केल्लो आसा, इन्क्लुझीव. इट इज नॉट आय विल से की पर्सन वीथ डिसेबिलिटी इज अ इन्क्लुझीव चॅनल, जंय सगळ्या लोकांनी ह्या चॅनला कडेन पळोवप गरजेचें आसा आनी हातूंतल्यान एक विशय घेवन आमी तुमच्या म्हऱ्यान येतले. रिसंटली जो विशय आमी आयज तुमच्या फुड्यान घेवन येता तो म्हणजे ग्लोबल एक्सेसिबिलिटी अवेरनेस डे, GAAD. जर तुमी गुगल करशात जाल्यार तुमकां हें कळटा. हातूंतल्यान एक्सेसिबिलिटी म्हणजे एक्झॅक्टली कितें, आमी फक्त एक्सेसिबिलिटी गेट हा म्हणजे एक्सेस काय कितें, किंवा तेंच्या बरें फिजिकल एक्सेसिबिलिटी, डिजिटल एक्सेसिबिलिटी, अशे खुबशे विशय आसा. आयज हे सगळ्या विशयाचेर जाता तितले थोडक्यान आमी भासाभास करतले. ह्या विशयाचेर उलोवपा खातीर आयज आमच्या बरोबर स्टुडियोन आसात. सगळ्यान पयलीं म्हणजे तहा सर, सेक्रेटरी ऑफिस ऑफ द कमिशनर फॉर पर्सन वीथ डिसेबिलिटी गोवा. दुसरे गेस्ट आमच्या बरोबर आसा अवेलिनो डिसा, जे प्रेसिडेंट ड्रॅग म्हणजेच डिसेबिलिटी रायट्स असोसिएशन ऑफ गोवा. तिसरे आमच्या बरोबर आसात प्रकाश कामत सर, जे मेंबर ऑफ स्टेट एडवायझरी बोर्ड डिसेबिलिटी गोवा. तिगांकूय तुमकां येवकार आयच्या ह्या कार्यावळीन. सगळ्यात पयलीं हांव विचारूंक सोदतां की था सर आपके लिए की वॉट इज दीस डिजिटल एक्सेसिबिलिटी, बिकॉज दीस ग्लोबल एक्सेसिबिलिटी अवेरनेस डे GAD, which is I think specifically they mention more about digital accessibility. Can you just explain us what this digital accessibility?
First of all, congratulations to the Purple TV Bharat to get such an important topic as panel discussion here. Blessed to have such great panel members along with me today. Digital accessibility is nothing but working into the digital infrastructure at a very accessible way, in a very inclusive way. So what does that mean? When we talk about digital era, the Global Accessibility Awareness Day started आज से almost 13 years back. And उससे पहले भी, मतलब if I talk about India by itself, early 90s से there is a era जहाँ पे digital चीज़ें for persons with disability शुरू हुई. So right from emerging of screen readers for persons with visual impairment. So screen reader is something जहाँ पे it reads a screen to of a computer to a person with blindness. Magnifiers आए जो electronic है, which help magnify and persons with low vision or persons with learning disabilities and other neurological disorders also becomes better and easy to read. Devices such as big keyboards. So there are one-handed keyboards which are available. There are keyboards ऐसे available है जिनकी जो touch sensitivity है वो ज़्यादा है. मतलब उसमें अगर सपोज आप उसको टच गलती से भी करेंगे तो एकदम से वो दबेगा नहीं. सो इट इज़ वेरी गुड फॉर पर्सन्स विथ लोकोमोटर डिसेबिलिटीज़. इफ़ आई टॉक अबाउट एजुकेशन, जहाँ पे हम लोगों ने शुरू किया था विथ ब्रेल बुक्स टू ऑडियो बुक्स टू नाउ समथिंग विच इज़ कॉल्ड एज DAISY, that is Digitally Accessible Information System, and now internationally acknowledged EPUB 3 format, जहाँ पे a book when designed into this particular format is very useful for not only persons who are not having any disabilities, however persons with any kind of print disabilities, which include neurological disorders such as dyslexia, dysgraphia, ऑर्थोपेटिक डिसेबल, जैसे जिनको अगर उंगलियों में प्रॉब्लम है, एल्बोज़ में प्रॉब्लम है, जिस वजह से वो बुक बराबर नहीं पकड़ सकते हैं, ऐसे लोग जो ब्लाइंड हो या लो विजन हो, सीनियर सिटीजन्स हो, तो दीज ऑल कैटेगरीज आर क्लस्टर्ड इनटू अ कैटेगरी कॉल्ड प्रिंट डिसेबल. तो उनके लिए EPUB 3 विच इज़ नाउ इंटरनेशनली एक्लेम्ड. एंड नाउ डिजिटल एक्सेसिबिलिटी, अगर मैं ये इसका पूरा एक क्लस्टर बोलूँ तो it gives an opportunity to a person with disability to enjoy or to use the digital facilities available all over.
Yeah, I think there are a lot of things which are told. I think बहुत सारी चीज़ें, I think it may not, मतलब आधा घंटे तो इसमें ही चला जाएगा if we consider start talking about digital India and digital accessibility. Now coming to the point where I will go to next panelist also. Before that, quickly, if Thaji, if you can tell me that is this digital accessibility is implemented properly? Because coming back to Goa, when we say कि almost government or corporation 189 website if we have in Goa, तो गोवा में इसका implementation है क्या, ये website accessible है क्या?
सभी तो नहीं है संदीप जी, राइट, लेकिन सबसे अच्छा ये है कि स्लोली जो अप्रोच लोगों का चेंज हो रहा है, एंड पीपल आर ट्राइंग टू इनकॉपरेट, पीपल आर ट्राइंग टू सी, जो एक मिथ था कि नहीं वेबसाइट को अगर हम एक्सेसिबल करने जाएंगे या डिज़ाइन अगर चेंज करने जाएंगे तो बिल्कुल अपीलिंग नहीं होगा, या अगर हम डिज़ाइन चेंज करेंगे या इसमें एक्सेसिबिलिटी फीचर्स ऐड करेंगे तो बहुत ज़्यादा कॉस्टली होगा। अब वो मिथ कहीं ना कहीं चेंज हो रहा है। What people are really trying to understand and trying to adopt is accessibility is nothing but inclusion. अगर आप डिज़ाइन कर रहे हैं तो there is a set of guidelines which is available internationally and at Indian also. Internationally it is called as WCAG, Web Consortium Accessible Guidelines, version 2.1. एंड इंडिया में यही गाइडलाइंस का एक इंडियन वर्जन बना है, दैट इज़ गाइडलाइंस ऑफ इंडिया, गाइडलाइंस फॉर वेबसाइट्स बेसिकली, GIGW. सो दैट इज़ वर्जन 3 एंड उस हिसाब से अगर कोई भी वेबसाइट, सॉफ्टवेयर या एप्लीकेशन बने तो एक तो उसकी डिज़ाइन ख़राब नहीं होती है, दूसरा ऐसा नहीं कि कॉस्ट में बहुत ज़्यादा होता है, एंड उसके साथ साथ नाउ गवर्नमेंट ऑफ गोवा is planning to have the STQC certificates, so that is the standard technical certificates which includes the GIGW guidelines also for all of its websites.
Okay. Now if I go next, Prakash sir, I like to ask you, खुबश्यो गजाली अशा जो 189 websites आता ताहाजीन nicely ताहाजी has explained what is digital accessibility, and secondly coming back to our Goa and Goan website, Goa government, you being very active into all these things, तुम्ही खूप कडे लोकांमध्ये कनेक्टेड आहा, सरकाराकडे कनेक्टेड आहा, खूपशा ऑर्गनायझेशनाच्या मध्ये तुम्ही फुल फ्लॅश काम करता. तुमकां कितें दिसता ह्या ग्लोबल एक्सेसिबिलिटी अवेअरनेस डेच्या निमतान इज गोवा इज एक्सेसिबल इन ऑल सेन्स?
We will come to that question a bit later. Let me say that let people understand why the need for accessibility. Simple. 2005, United Nations said enough of charity-based disability. Let us come into rights-based disability. So all rights which other citizens have, they must get on par with others. Simple. Equality, equity. We brought an act in 2016. Same. Implement this United Nations Convention on Rights-Based Disability. Now, when you say they should get rights, to get these rights, there are some issues with them. What is that issue? The simple definition of persons with disability will bring out what is the issue. A person with disability is a person, okay, who has a long-term impairment, which may be physical, which may be sensory, which may be intellectual. So all these long-term impairment, when it clashes with barriers in the environment, clashes with the barriers may be physical. There is no ramp, there are steps, I can't go. It can be physical, then it can be, as Taha said, it can be ICT, information, communication, technology, where everything. So it could be physical or this. If these barriers are not done away with, their impairment clashes with these barriers and it impedes their right to participate in the society's development on par with others. That is very important. They should be equally able to. For that, what you need? You have to do away with barriers physical, barriers on virtual, that is on digital. You have to do away with these barriers. So doing away with these barriers is creating accessibility, so that these people, you are giving equal right for participation. This is the point of accessibility today.
करेक्ट. अमोल बाब, तुमकां विचारपाक सोदता, एक्सेसिबिलिटीचे आता जशें प्रकाश सरान एक्सप्लेन केलें की ही गरज आसा, काळाची गरज आसा, हा सरान डिजिटली सांगलें, एंड यू आर बीइंग एवरीवेअर एंड यू आर फायटींग फॉर डिसेबिलिटी रायट्स एसोसिएशन आहा तुमचें. वॉट युअर व्यू ऑन दीस एक्सेसिबिलिटी इन अदर प्लेसेस?
See, accessibility is very important for a person with disability. It is a need of a disabled person. It is not a luxury for a person with disability. Okay. Secondly, it is a right of every disabled person, and it is not a charity for persons with disability. The Persons with Disabilities Act 1995 had said that public buildings physical accessibility, the Person with Disability Act 1995 had brought it into force. Okay, and now we are in 2016, which has brought your digital accessibility also under the ambit of the Disability Act 2016. Okay, so it is the main crux of the rights of disabled person is accessibility, because if we don't have accessibility, we cannot talk about right to education for students. If we don't have accessibility, we cannot talk about employment for the disabled. If we don't have accessibility, we cannot talk about entertainment for the disabled. Okay, the Disability Act is giving rights to education, employment, livelihood and entertainment. But there is no basic accessibility, meaning a person with disability cannot get out of his house. We cannot talk about right to education. Schools are not accessible, colleges are not accessible, your roads are not accessible, government offices are not accessible, your banks, your anything else, charity. Okay, you're giving a pension, you say every month, but if I cannot access the banks to withdraw my money, I cannot use that money, right? So to get this accessibility, it is a main important thing, it has to be done.
Yeah, so तुम्ही म्हणता की accessibility now, there is no accessibility. What is the percentage of accessibility, what you say? म्हणजे it's no accessible, you have mentioned about everything. Schools ना म्हणता, banks ना म्हणता, accessibility काय ना. You are talking about physical accessibility, right?
Yes, I am talking about physical accessibility.
So,
as Avelino rightly said, if you want to implement their rights everywhere, right from education to empowerment to employment, everywhere accessibility is a must. Unless there is accessibility, library, physical accessibility as well as online accessibility for library, for reading now, as Taha sir said, your videos and all these things are available. Digital accessibility, if it is not there, where is their right implementation? So therefore, who becomes the main player? It becomes, because we talk of public spaces. Moment we say public spaces, on behalf of society, government, our elected government becomes the main player to see that this disability is removed by giving accessibility to the persons with disability. So government has, if government websites are not accessible, if government education is not monitored, if schools are saying no ramps, if schools are saying I have ramp, I don't have lift, if schools are saying I have lift, I don't have toilet accessible, what is the this? If you have a garden in Panji and if you don't have an accessible toilet, how people will come? So you are not inclusive. Whose duty it is to see? It is the duty of the government to see that all rights are effectively implemented for persons with disability. Now one point only I will make, because this community is small, say 3 to 5%, we tend to ignore their rights. It is not right. That is why importance of such days to celebrate, for people to understand, society at large, that it is their duty to raise the voice of these people.
so are we ignoring the right?
Yes, by may not be deliberately, but we simply think it doesn't matter to me. Unless somebody is in my family is disabled, why I should bother? This is the attitude, this should go, and we should become inclusive. That is the point.
Sir, I am coming back to you again. So considering this discussion, and this is the point, so the places which Prakash sir has mentioned, or Avelino is saying, they are, you know, percentage wise, if we see, at least capital of Goa, Panaji, at least Panaji is accessible. What is your figures in that, like, you know?
यहाँ पे दो चीज़ें हैं संदीप जी. एक जो अवेलिनो और प्रकाश जी ने बताया, यस एब्सोल्युटली एक्सेसिबिलिटी मैं ये नहीं बताऊंगा कि कम्प्लीटली है, लेकिन बिल्कुल ही नहीं है वो भी गलत है. नंबर 1. नंबर 2, जब हम कैपिटल सिटी की बात करते हैं, नाउ कैपिटल सिटी इज़ कॉल्ड एज स्मार्ट सिटी पैंजिम. एक अच्छा स्टेप इन लोगों ने ये लिया है कि दे हैव नाउ इनकॉर्पोरेटेड अ कमिटी विच विल सी द एक्सेसिबिलिटी फीचर्स ऑफ फिजिकल इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर एंड ऑफ ICT ऑल्सो. अभी चूँकि काम चल रहा है, खाली पर्सन विद डिसेबिलिटी नहीं, सबको डिफ़िकल्टी हो रही है उसमें, वो हम सबको पता है. एंड इट इज़ अ पीरियड जहाँ पे जब तक काम चलेगा तब तक शायद वो डिफ़िकल्टी सबको आनी है. जो मैं शुरू में बताया था, आवर बिगेस्ट डिसेबिलिटी इज़ अ माइंडसेट डिसेबिलिटी, जो कहीं ना कहीं वी आर सीइंग थोड़ा थोड़ा कम हो रहा है। जब तक कि आपकी माइंडसेट डिसेबिलिटी कम नहीं होती तब तक कि आगे कुछ नहीं होता था। स्मार्ट सिटी की अगर मैं बात करूं, व्हेन वी डिवाइड दिस इनटू वेरियस थिंग्स, जो कमिटी बनी है, कमिटी हैज़ recommended the smart city guys to जो भी उनके प्रोजेक्ट्स होंगे has to be validated by a accessibility expert in both physical infrastructure and ICT। तो उनके अगर वेबसाइट या ऐप कुछ बन रहा है तो that should be properly audited, which is a process। उनके जो भी प्रोजेक्ट्स बन रहे होंगे in terms of roads, in terms of various projects in Panjim has to be audited by a physical infrastructure expert।
सो इट विल बी एक्सेसिबल। मैं जो भी गार्डन बता दिया अभी, गार्डन, टॉयलेट्स, बस स्टॉप्स, ट्रांसपोर्ट, सब कुछ एक्सेसिबल होगा,
होना ही चाहिए। एंड अगर वो नहीं होगा तो स्मार्ट सिटी नहीं कहलाएगा, वो होना ही चाहिए।
So as a chairman, you are doing commitment about it, saying that you will make sure that smart city will be accessible for a person with disability।
नहीं तो वो स्मार्ट सिटी कहलाएगा ही नहीं संदीप जी, बिकॉज अगर वो स्मार्ट सिटी है सो व्हाई इट इज स्मार्ट एंड व्हाट आर वी अकोमोडेटिंग देम एज स्मार्ट सिटी। स्मार्ट सिटी इज शुड बी अ सिटी विच इज़ इंक्लूसिव, नॉट एक्सेसिबल। जब वो इंक्लूसिव होगा तो ऑटोमेटिकली सारी चीज़ें एक्सेसिबल होगी, लेकिन जब वो एक्सेसिबल होगा तो कहीं ना कहीं बर्डन होगा। वाई एम सेइंग दिस वर्ड इज बिकॉज अगेन चेंज ऑफ माइंडसेट। हम लोग रन करते नहीं एक्सेसिबल करो, एक्सेसिबल करो, नहीं, आप इंक्लूसिव करो, क्योंकि वो एक्सेसिबल खाली पर्सन विद डिसेबिलिटी, अविलिनो जैसे या ताहा जैसे के लोगों के लिए नहीं है, ये सबके लिए होगा। आज की तारीख में ऐसे भी होंगे लोग जो पर्सन विद डिसेबिलिटी ना हो, सीनियर सिटीजन्स हो, उन्हें थोड़ा प्रॉपर चीज़ों की ज़रूरत पड़ रही हो। वेबसाइट्स हम देखते हैं, कभी कभी लोग इतनी ज़बरदस्त वाली इंग्लिश यूज़ करेंगे कि बाकी सबका छोड़ दे, वो अच्छे इंग्लिश वाला भी कभी कभी समझ नहीं पाएगा कि वो क्या कहना चाह रहा है। सो देर इज़ वन ऑफ द नॉर्म्स इन द गाइडलाइंस जहाँ पे योर लैंग्वेज ऑल्सो शुड बी एज सिंपल एज पॉसिबल। आपके फॉन्ट्स जो है एकदम भी ज़्यादा ग्लोरी रखेंगे तो लो विजन वाला आग बन करके पड़ेगा, उसको पढ़ने को ही नहीं होगा। सो आपके जैसे स्टेप्स पे आप जा रहे हैं तो स्टेप्स पे आपके शुरू होने से पहले देयर शुड बी अ स्ट्रिप विच सेज कि ओके देयर आर स्टेप स्टार्टिंग। आपके प्रॉपर रेलिंग्स होनी है आपके। अगर मैं वापस वेबसाइट्स पे आऊँ, सिंपल एक कैप्चा जैसी चीज़ है, कई वेबसाइट्स पे मैं भी एक्सेस नहीं कर सकता हूँ। क्यों? क्योंकि वो कैप्चा इमेज है, मेरा स्क्रीन रीडर वो पढ़ नहीं पाएगा। तो देयर आर नॉर्म्स फॉर एवरीथिंग आज की तारीख।
प्रकाश सर, या प्लीज।
As Taha sir rightly said, mindset change is very important. What we forget as common people is that accessibility, we think only for persons with disability. No, accessibility is universal. On an accessible ramp, one child also should be able to go. One senior citizen also will go. A non-disabled person also will go. It is not only for them. When in ATM, when you go and put and you get voice output saying ये नंबर को लगाओ तुमको कैश आएगा, वो is it only helping visual impaired? No, it is helping you also. No, when you go into a lift, when you push a button and voice output कब आप second floor पर आए हैं, it only helps visual impaired? No, it helps others also. So try and understand that it is universal. It is for everybody.
Yeah, I understand it is right now we are talking in a very but if you go point by point, is it implemented at least in Goa by the
होना शुरू हो गया है।
हो गया है।
यस,
No, I can
पूरी
say-
तरह से नहीं हुआ है लेकिन शुरू हो गया है बिल्कुल।
I will say that शुरू हो गया is fine, but time doesn't wait for anybody. So many, see, when you do a purple fast leg thing for consecutively 2 years, persons with disability develop ambition, aspiration. Arey, here everything accessible. I can go here, I can go there, and tomorrow after 5 days of festival, I am back to square one. I can't go anywhere. I can't go on the road, as Avelino says. I can't go to ATM. I can't go into school.
Correct. I mean, what is your experience about this?
Avelino, please.
No, also I would like to say that it is people should understand, we talk about accessibility, but accessibility is not an expensive affair. Okay, because if you look at the investment on accessibility, look at it as the benefits for the next 10 years for persons with disability. It is not a very expensive thing. Even if you put a lift, say costing 20 lakhs, divide by the next 10 years, just cost you 2 lakhs a year. Okay, so accessibility is not an expensive affair.
Because you get that feedback, or people say कि it's expensive if we make it accessible.
People think it's an expensive affair. How many disabled persons will come and all that. Secondly, people, establishments should look at it from the business model point of view. If you make your hotel accessible, if you make your restaurants accessible, mall accessible, your movie theaters accessible, more and more disabled persons will come. And when disabled persons come, their family members will also come. So look at it from a business point of view and not a charitable point of view.
Yeah. One more thing, what I can suggest, Purple Festival, as Prakash sir also said, we see more of person with disability people only once in a year in that cruise boats, especially, then we don't know how it is accessible. Being a Goa as a touristic destination, is commissioner for person with disability can take some steps to access of your beaches, access to your cruises. So this we can see at the time of Purple Festival, it looks very, very beautiful, all can access, inclusive I will say. So it can be a permanent solution for
बिल्कुल करना है संदीप जी, और ये हम सबका सपना है जहाँ पे इस किस्म के मूवमेंट्स करके, चाहे वो पर्पल फेस्ट हो या जितने भी अलग अलग इस किस्म के सेंसिटाइजेशन मेगा लेवल के प्रोग्राम्स हो रहे हैं, सबसे पहला जो हमारा उम्मीद है और जो हम लोग कहीं ना कहीं महसूस भी कर रहे हैं, जो थॉट प्रोसेस चेंज हो रहा है, मैं इसके लिए बार बार जो बोल रहा हूँ, जो डिसेबिलिटी हमारी एक्सेप्टेंस जो पहले हुआ करती थी और जो अब है उसमें फ़र्क पड़ रहा है। क्यों? क्योंकि लोगों को समझ में आ रहा है कि आज के तारीख में अगर यहाँ पे टूरिस्ट आएंगे and if we are giving facilities, so this 1, 2, 3, 4 would be the effect. Avelino rightly said, it is a business module. It is not an expensive affair. लेकिन लोगों का माइंडसेट कहीं ना कहीं पहले ये कहता था कि नहीं, खाली 5 लोग अगर आएंगे तो मैं 10,000 क्यों खर्चा करूँ, जस्ट एन एग्जाम्पल। लेकिन अब ये उल्टा हो रहा है। सबसे अच्छा यहाँ पे ये जो आप बीचेस की बात कर रहे हैं, जो आप क्रूज़ की बात कर रहे हैं, इन सम टाइम नाउ वी विल सी ऑल दीज थिंग्स कमिंग ऑन टू प्लेस। एंड to quote this, the new department which has now come up, the Department of Empowerment of Persons with Disabilities Goa, सबसे अच्छा है कि the people there have started understanding the need, क्योंकि what exactly is there. And जो actions चल रहा है, I'll not be able to quote it now because it is very early, लेकिन I ensure कि जो हिसाब से चीज़ें चल रही है, very soon we'll be able to see many changes in and around in cluster.
Because now you have a full-fledged department जो पहले था नहीं।
सबसे अच्छा ये है कि पहले ये डिपार्टमेंट प्रॉपर समझ रहा है कि कहाँ पे है, क्या चीज़ें हैं जिसको हम लोग और इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं। कैसा हो, ये एक्सरसाइज पहले कभी होती नहीं थी कि ठीक है, ओके चलो ओके करना है, ये स्कीम है, टिंग 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 इसको दे दो, उसको बेनिफिशियरी लाओ, कहानी खत्म। लेकिन सच में वो स्कीम चल रही है कि नहीं चल रही है, सच में वो चीज़ें हो रही है।
So you are monitoring now?
Yes, and that department has very closely started doing it, and that is very good.
That is, I think it's really a good, because it's not only a Purple Fest. We have reached to the international level now.
Of these events or movements, we are trying to get to reach to the right problems and to hit the mindsets of the general society to see to it that the inclusion is done.
Mr. Taha is talking about new department. Welcome. But my point is simple. You conduct a accessibility audit of schools, around 810 or 1000 schools, college of government or schools in Goa. Right. Where is the implementation of accessibility? What is important is, don't tell me 5 years that so many schools are inaccessible. Where is your program? Where is your budget? Go to GMC. I have been shouting at the top of my voice. Simple accessibility steps are there at the blood bank. Okay. Persons with hemophilia are struggling to go. So many times pointed out. Where is the action? Where is the budget? Where is the implementation? Unless you do this, you may do 1,000 departments. It doesn't make any difference to me. Show me results. That is what I am saying. And for this, according to me, once people's mindset changes and people at large stand up for these people, this will be changed. People should not take it that it is their problem, let them see it. No.
ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं होगा.
It is society's problem.
It is
put the pressure on government.
Absolutely.
Implementation is not effective, or is the law is not strong.
Law is strong.
So आप एक्शन क्यों नहीं ले रहे हो? मतलब till date how many people are behind these sections, या how many people have you have made fine to them, or heavy fine? Because एक अगर आप एक्शन लोगे ना, मेरे ख्याल से 10 लोग सीधा होंगे. the moment one bank get a notice saying that you make that accessible to it, or as Prakash sir has said, at least government offices or government departments should be in place, so that sets the example.
यहाँ पे the detailed audit of many old departments have again started with the instruction of Chief Secretary, because काफ़ी ऐसी old buildings है जहाँ पे government departments बैठे हैं बराबर, जिनका कुछ नहीं हो रहा था इन सालों में. अभी चीफ सेक्रेटरी के क्लियर इंस्ट्रक्शंस एंड इट इज़ अ वेरी स्ट्रिक्ट नाउ, एंड द टाइमलाइन इज़ वेरी क्लियर कि विद इन, इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग, विद इन 3 months और समथिंग द रिपोर्ट शुड बी देयर विद द CS सेइंग दैट कि ये चीज़ है एंड दिस इज़ टू बी डन बाय द पब्लिक वर्क्स डिपार्टमेंट बाय इटसेल्फ.
ग्रेट. सो इफ इट इज टाइम बॉन्ड अगर चीज़ें हो रही है देन इट मेक्स सेंस.
और इसके लिए मैंने यहाँ पे ये भी ख़ास बोला कि कुछ चीज़ें ऐसी है जो अभी मैं कोट नहीं कर पाऊँगा, लेकिन आई नो कि things are happening in background now.
Sandeep, you raised a very pertinent point. Act is effective or implementation is not there. What I am telling you, Act is very strong. Only implementation also should be strong. There has been provisions like regulatory authorities like commissioners at the central level, state level. But I feel sometimes these commissions don't assert themselves. Why they don't do, I will not say it here. But I am telling you, they should be assertive. They should take steps like fining people who don't care for disability, accessibility and all. Once that is done, films come which are mocking persons with disability. Here is drag President Avelino Disa who writes to the Central Commission, why you dilly-dally? In Goa, commissioner immediately said, in Goa this film will not be shown publicly. Why this did not happen at the central commissioner level? So you are right, Act is there, commissions have been given teeth, they don't want to bite. They should, in the larger interest of this disability community.
Well, you know, my time is very short. Can you just say something on this disability? Because you fight for disability rights and we see you taking press conferences talking about it. Wow, you take it like, you know, is these things has to be implemented with the deadlines?
Yes, they have to be implemented with the deadlines. Lots more has to be done. Lots more assertive. The Disability Commissioner, Department, Minister has to be more assertive. We have to have time-bound implementation for things. Otherwise, just having things is not going to be of any help.
Yeah, second thing is there is very good news about SSC results. What we saw this time is, you know, person with disability. If you see that community, you know, the result was 87.72%, which is very good percentage. If you see, I think this is the first time so much percentage wise person with disability who has appeared for the exam and they got this type of percentage. So what exactly, what other things, other examinations also, if you inculcate and see that, you know, this type of percentage it comes, how you look into this matter?
Examination का the rule is same irrespective कि वो SSC हो कि PhD हो, बराबर. The scribe rules हो या extra time हो, the rules is the same, right? अब आप एग्जामिनेशन की बात कर रहे हो तो वो लास्ट में खाली मैं एक चीज़ बोलूँ, डिजिटल एक्सेसिबिलिटी कहाँ पे काम में आ रही है. सिंपल एग्जांपल हम सबको पता है, गोवा में साइश कौटंकर, राइट, ही पास्ड विद 80% मार्क्स ओनली यूजिंग अ डिजिटल कंप्यूटर, नो राइटर. सबसे अच्छी बात यह है कि उसने एक्स्ट्रा टाइम भी नहीं लिया क्योंकि उसको ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ी, हालांकि द प्रोविजन वॉज देयर. He answered the exams at a very good level using a computer and using technology by itself. That is what an accessibility of digital literacy and digital accessibility says. And this is one of the biggest results again what we can see.
Yeah, quickly my last question will be, what will be your message for the audience which we are watching right now on Global Accessibility Awareness Day? Quickly Thaji.
सबसे पहली चीज़, don't treat persons with disability as something different. Accessibility is nothing different, but it will take us towards inclusion and be and make them an equal part of yours.
Prakash ji.
Accessibility, as Taha sir said, is universal. It is for everybody. Young people should understand. Any day they may meet with accident. You may become disabled. You will, as age, you may also get various disabilities. So work for it right from now as an inclusive society, and it will be achieved.
Goa is a very small state, and we can easily make it 100% accessible if society helps us and the government in making places accessible.
Yeah, I think very rightly said, all of you. Thanks a lot for coming into our studio and talking about this a serious topic which everybody, making everybody aware of it. Thanks a lot. यश इल्ले आमचे पॅनल तहा सर, प्रकाश सर, अवेलिनो बाब आणि ह्यांच्यांनी खूब बरे तरेन म्हाका दिसता एक्सेसिबल इंडिया किंवा डिजिटल इंडिया जी एक्सेसिबिलिटीचेर हा खूब बरे तरेन तुमकां सांगिल्लें आसा. अशे विशय घेवन आमी परत येतले, पण वचच्या पयलीं तुमी लक्षांत दवरा की इट्स इन्क्लुझीव आनी एक्सेसिबिलिटी जावपाक जाय जाल्यार सगळ्यांनी आपल्या घरा कडल्यान हें काम सुरू करपाक जाय. सरकार आपलें काम करतलेच, बट एवरीबडी हॅज टू आस्क फॉर इट. वेन यू आस्क यू गेट. सो हाजेरूय आमी थारयता आनी परत एकदा तुमचे देव बरें करूं म्हणटा अशे प्रोग्राम घेवन आमी परत तुमच्या फुड्यान येतले. तो पर्यंत पळयत रावात तुमचो आवडतो चॅनल पर्पल TV भारत.